Hello, Fort Harriman teachers. It is me, your digital instructional coach, Mr. Clark. This video is just a quick video to show you the basics of syncing Canvas to Skyward. Basically, it will update your gradebook from Canvas to Skyward. So let's get into it. All right, first of all, we need to get into a specific course. You can do that through your dashboard or click on courses, which I've found to be very helpful. Just click on your course, click on what we're looking at. Here's my home page, very simple, just links to the module that we're in right now, which is plate tectonics and geography. It will take us to the assignment that we need and, it takes us to our modules. And so I'm just going to take a look at one particular assignment in the assignment settings to show you what you need for all assignments that you want to be synced from Canvas to Skyward. We're going to talk about the basics of this. Okay, so here we are in first assignment. You can see it's a Google Cloud assignment where it's made a copy for a student. I have another video for that if you want to check it out. Next, there is this. We want to go to Edit Assignment Settings. And here we are. So the first thing, we grade everything on a 4-point scale, so we just go under points. The next thing we want to do is assign our group. So we have 2 assignment groups in Fort Harriman, and if you look at Skyward, those 2 assignment groups are ASGN for assignment, 20% of our grade, and ASMT for assessment, which is 80% of the student's grade. Now notice how these have a capital A and then a lowercase SGN and a lowercase ASMT. That is very, very crucial to the way that they sync. It wasn't last year, this year it is. So make sure that you have chosen those assignment groups. If you don't have those assignment groups already, you can go to New Group and you just name it that thing. So super simple. Now, once you have those, you've chosen the correct assignment group. You then, so that's number 1, choose the correct assignment group. Number 2, you need to click this button that says Sync to SIS. This says this assignment wants to sync to our student information system. Our student information system is Skyward, so this is going to talk to those. Lastly, so assignment group, number 2, sync to SIS, and lastly, it needs to have a due date. It will not function if there is no due date. So you need to select a due date. This was September 2nd. It's a very old assignment. And then we just click Save. So our assignment has the correct assignment group, the sync to SIS, and a due date. It's ready to sync. Now, in order to say, hey, Canvas, I want you to tell all this stuff to Skyward, we need to go to our gradebook. So we click on Grades. We go to our gradebook here, and this is kind of the last step. So we first need to go to Actions, which is right here, as highlighted there with this web paint. Next, after we have gone to Actions, we want to go to this button right here, which says Sync to SIS. Now, this only syncs what you have planned. This will not continually sync anytime you update a grade, so do it in batches. Let's say you have a stack of late work, you graded it all, after 20 or 30 kids, you can hit Sync to SIS. This is like your end of day thing. You click this button and a sort of list will come up like this. These are all the assignments that I've clicked, say, Sync to SIS. So for this quarter, I have 13. Now, these assignments aren't due yet, and I don't want to sync those, so I can just unselect them. So I click all the ones I don't want to be synced, and then I hit Post Grades. That's it. It will update Skyward. Sometimes it's moments later, sometimes it's an hour. If the system's really bogged down, sometimes it takes longer. The district is trying to work with Canvas to speed up some of those wait times, but it can take a day or sometimes longer, unfortunately. Now, if you want to know if you did it right or it just isn't working fast enough, you can view that progress through this scheduled button. You click on that and it'll bring you to something that looks like this. Now, I tried this just a few minutes ago and it is still waiting. It has not been completed, but I did it yesterday and it says that one has been completed. If you had something that was not all correct, maybe it was a wrong assignment group, it wasn't ASGN or ASMT, or you clicked sync to SIS, or you didn't have a due date, then you might have a notification right there. That is pretty much it. If you have any questions, please send me an email to set up an appointment or a meeting. I would love to help you out. Just here to support you in any way we can. It's been a great year so far. Just as we tell the students, we love you, care about you. Make it a great day. Thank you.